Srimati Ramanujaya Namaha. Myself Asta Thapa, the teacher of Sri Venkatesha Gurukula. Thank you so much for showing so much of your love on our previous video. Today we are back with another video giving the brief introduction about Sri Satakopa Suri, also known as Nammalvar. Let's begin.
उंडो वैगाशी विशागत्तु कोप्पुरनाल उंडो षडगोपर कोप्पुरुवर उंडो तिरुवायुमொழி कोप्पु तेन्कुरुहै कोंडु ओरुपार दनिलुक्कुमूर श्रीमते षठगोपाय नमः.
I offer my respectful obeisance on the lotus feet of Sri Hari. On the occasion of Nammalvar's Tirunakshatra, we are here again to give a brief introduction on him.
We offer respect to Sri Satakop Suri.
Jai Shrimanarayan. Satakop Suri is also called Sri Nammalvar. He is one of the 12 Alvars in Sri Vaishnavism. He is a Tamil saint poet.
Alvars are 12 Tamil saint poets who dedicate their entire lives in singing the glory of Lord Vishnu and worshipping him. Alvars are different than Rishimuni because Rishimuni could sometimes be dragged in the materialistic world, but Alvars were never dragged anywhere other than the lotus feet of Sri Harinarayan.
The Tamil word Alvars means one who has immersed in Lord of God. He has become mad in Lord of God.
The Alvar are Nityasuris or internal recipients of Sri Vaikuntham or the external abode of Sriman Narayanan.
They incarnated on earth by the divine order of Sriman Narayana.
And to redeem fallen souls and take them back to divine Nitya Kaikarya of Sriman Narayana and Sri Mahalakshmi.
The 12 Alvars are Poige Alvar, Budatta Alvar, Pei Alvar, Namma Alvar, Tirumadisai Alvar, Andal, Thondaripuri Alvar, Tirumangai Alvar, Tiruppan Alvar, Kulashekharan Alvar, Peri Alvar and Madhurakavi Alvar.
Nammalvar was born on Vaikashi Nakshatra in Alvar Tirunagari.
The 87 verses of Periya Tiruvandhadi.
His life story is an example of what unwavering devotion can give a devotees. Nammalvar describes the divine nation and the divine deities in his natural divine poetry in Tamil.
His mission of life is to serve Sri Bhagwan.
To do unwavering devotion to praise him and surrender to him.
And to love him unconditionally.
Nammalvar parents were Udayanangayar and Kari Maharaj.
While hearing Sri Vishnu's name, the boy Nammalvar went to Samadhi immediately after birth.
Neither did he cry nor did he drink his mother's milk. He remained calm without any physical movement. Nammalvar remained in deep penance for a period of 16 years without water and food.
His parents took the child to the temple of Lord Adinath Swami. They prayed for him and left him there on his faith.
They put him in a cradle tied to a branch of a tamarind tree and contemplating on God forever.
This mesmerizing description of his Bhagavad Darshan Anubhav is found in renowned Divya Prabandha Tiruvayumozhi.
In a crux, Nammalvar is one of the most crucial Alvar in our Sampradaya.
Nammalvar reached his divine award at the age of 36.
Srimate Shatakopaya Namaha. Satakopa Suri, also called as Sri Nammalvar, is considered as the reincarnation of Sri Viswakshena Suri, who is considered as the commander-in-chief of Sri Vaikuntham of Sri Sriman Narayana. Thank you so much, our students of Gurukul, for another exciting and wonderful episode of Sri Satakopa Suri Tirunakshatra. Jai Sriman Narayana.
Mata Pita Yuvatayastadaya Vibhote Sarvam Jadevanyame Namadanvayana Adyasya Nakulapate Vakulaviramam Srivatadanga